Is it a bike? Is it a car? Or is it the future of personal transport? Gear up, because today we're unveiling something completely different, the 2025 Volonaut AirBike. A machine that doesn't just blur the lines between road and sky, it erases them. Welcome to ZPR Auto, where we drive into the future before it arrives. The Volonaut name might not ring bells like Tesla or BMW yet, but behind it is a story of silent ambition and relentless innovation. Founded in Munich in 2016, Volonaut began as a drone startup focused on heavy lift delivery systems. By 2021, they'd pivoted quietly to personal aerial mobility. In 2023, they shocked the tech world with the AirBike Beta, an experimental vehicle that combined dual-mode functionality, land and air. Fast forward to 2025, and what we have here is the first commercially available hybrid hoverbike, built to comply with both EU road laws and FAA's Part 103 ultralight aircraft regulations. Visually, the AirBike is pure cyberpunk, a blend of aerodynamic minimalism and muscular posture. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis is both feather-light and impact-resistant, designed to perform on the road and in the air. Cut to drone shots circling the AirBike during takeoff, with retractable duct propellers hidden beneath magnetic panels. The AirBike shifts from motorcycle to aircraft in under 7 seconds. And the lighting system? Adaptive OLED strips that sync with flight mode and weather conditions. Inside, it's not a traditional cockpit. It's a pilot's interface, wrapped in luxury. The AirBike single-seat cabin is upholstered in recycled Alcantara and vegan leather, with a temperature-adaptive smart gel seat that adjusts to your posture in real time. Up front, a 14-inch holographic HUD projects telemetry, navigation, air traffic data, and flight status. Voice assistant Aura responds over 800 custom commands, and the Volonaut OS syncs with your devices, smart home, and even traffic control in select cities like London, Toronto, and LA. Let's talk power. The 2025 AirBike packs a twin electric drive system, one for road, one for air. On land, you're looking at a 240 horsepower e-motor, delivering 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. And in the air, 4 duct fan rotors powered by a 100 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery provide up to 25 minutes of vertical flight, with a ceiling of 1,000 feet, enough for safe urban travel and short-range commuting. It features AI-stabilized hovering, automatic crosswind correction, and a terrain mapping sensor suite. On the road, it handles like a sports bike, thanks to its adaptive suspension and ultra-low center of gravity. And efficiency? On the road, expect 270 miles per charge, while full recharge using a level 3 DC fast charger takes under 40 minutes. Now for the big question, what's this future machine going to cost you? The 2025 Volonaut AirBike starts at $189,000 US. Pricey? Sure, but compared to other ultralight personal aircraft like the Jetson one at $98,000, and that can't drive on roads, this is a dual-purpose game changer. And unlike concept hover vehicles from legacy automakers, the AirBike is certified, insured, and shipping in limited batches to US, UK, Germany, and Canada starting Q3 2025. Still skeptical? You're not alone. Safety, reliability, and regulation are the top concerns. The AirBike comes with triple redundant flight controls, emergency auto landing, and parachute-assisted fail-safes. It's road legal in 42 U.S. states and conditionally certified for low-altitude flight in the EU and Canada. Maintenance is handled via Volonaut's certified service network, with optional concierge-level support in major cities. So, is the Volonaut AirBike the future of mobility, or just a luxurious experiment? We'll let you decide. But one thing's for sure, the road and sky may never look the same. If you love this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-voltage reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you ride the AirBike? And for specs, waitlist, and exclusive behind-the-scenes footage, visit us at zprauto.com/airbike.